Republican leaders abruptly pulled their overhaul of the nation's healthcare system from the House floor on Friday, a dramatic defeat for President Trump and House Speaker Paul D. Ryan that leaves a major campaign promise unfulfilled and casts doubt on the Republican Party's ability to govern. The decision leaves President Barack Obama's chief domestic achievement in place and raises questions about the GOP's ability to advance other high-stakes priorities, including tax reform and infrastructure spending. Ryan R. Wisconsin remains without a signature accomplishment as Speaker, and the defeat undermines Trump's image as a skilled deal-maker willing to strike compromises to push his agenda forward. In an interview with The Washington Post, Trump deflected any responsibility for the setback and instead blamed Democrats. "We couldn't get one Democratic vote," he said. "I don't blame Paul," Trump added, referring to Ryan. Trump said he would not ask Republican leaders to reintroduce the legislation in the coming weeks, and congressional leaders made clear that the bill known as the American Health Care Act was dead. Shortly after the decision, Ryan told reporters his party came really close today, but we came up short. He added, "We're going to be living with Obamacare for the foreseeable future. It has done," Doe said. Energy and Commerce Committee Chairman Greg Walden RR, who drafted much of the legislation. "This bill is dead." Instead, Republican leaders said they would wait for the Affordable Care Act to encounter fatal problems, believing that Democrats will then want to work with them to make changes. "As you know, I've been saying for years that the best thing is to let Obamacare explode and then go make a deal with the Democrats and have one unified deal," Trump said, "and they will come to us. We won't have to come to them." It remains far from certain that Republicans, in control of the White House and both houses of Congress, will be able to credibly voice responsibility for the nation's health care woes onto Democrats. What is certain is that Republicans continue to have difficulty turning their campaign promises into legislative action. For 7 years, GOP candidates have pledged to repeal the Affordable Care Act, which expanded Medicaid and created subsidized, state-based exchanges to expand health insurance coverage to 20 million Americans, decrying the taxes and government mandates it enacted since 2010. Every Republican, with the exception of probably a handful, has campaigned from dog catcher on up that they would do everything they could to repeal and replace Obamacare, White House Press Secretary Sean Spicer said Friday. "To get in and say you're going to do something else would not be fair to the American people."